MathCounts 2025, Chapter Level Target Round Question 6. What's the sum of the three smallest positive integers that are both a multiple of 5 and also more than a multiple of 7? So it needs to be 5. The number per se needs to be 5m. So it's a multiple of 5. And it's one more than a multiple of 7. So the number can also be written as 7n plus 1. Okay? So this is pretty straightforward. As we can tell, when n is 0, 7m plus 1 is 1. This is not a multiple of 5, because to be a multiple of 5, the final digit, needs to be either a 0 or 5. So when n is 1, that's 8. No. When n is 2, that's 15. Yes. And when n is 3, 4, 5, 6, those would not make the final digit being a 5 or a 0. But when n is 7, the last digit would be 50. So that would work. And moving forward, when n is 8 or 9, it would not work again. So now we have identified two numbers already. The first one is 15. It is a multiple of 5, and it is one more than a multiple of 7. And 50 is also the case. We can tell that the numbers will go to a arithmetic sequence, because it's going to be cyclical pattern every 35, which is a least common multiple of 5 and 7. Is 35. There will be another number that's a multiple of 5, and that's also one more than a multiple of 7. Okay, so in this case, 84 is a multiple of 7. It equals 7 times 12, and add 1, 85 is also the next one. So it's asking the three smallest possible integers. We know the next one is to add another 35 to make it 120, but we only need the first three smallest integers. We add those together. The answer to this question is 140. Okay? So the way of solving this type of question is to really identify the initial pattern. As long as we can find the first two numbers, we can then very quickly infer the established pattern. That is, after n skip 4 values, there will be another round of n that settles both requirements. That's how we solve this type of questions, which is to find the initial pattern.